You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. It's a word from French originally, so we'll look at the French pronunciation, and we're going to be looking at how it's pronounced in English as well. French pronunciation is as rouleau, rouleau. If you want to learn more French pronunciation, more French vocabulary, stay tuned to the channel. We've got tons coming up. The English pronunciation is similar to French as rouleau, rouleau. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.